Hey, welcome back to the Data and AI debate. Today we're talking about something every data leader needs to hear: how to drive continuous AI transformation. Not just one big launch, but a repeatable, resilient system that actually evolves with your customers. And get this, we're not theorizing here. This comes straight from Intuit, the fintech powerhouse behind TurboTax and QuickBooks. They're doing nearly 90 million in AI-driven efficiency gains in just half a year. So yeah, let's learn how they're doing it. You know that feeling? You ship a killer AI feature, everyone loves it. Then a month later, no one talks about it. Why? Because it's just expected now. That's the paradox of innovation. Your wins quickly become the new norm. So how do you stay ahead? According to Ashok Srivastava, Intuit's chief data officer, it comes down to building a culture that drives AI transformation continuously. And they've got 3 battle-tested ways to do just that. Let's start with the first principle: regular, rigorous, ego-free technical reviews. 5 years ago, Intuit declared AI was the future. But guess what? Ashok had to walk into a leadership meeting and drop a bomb. They were falling short. Progress wasn't matching the vision. So they initiated monthly check-ins with C-suite leaders. Not just status updates, but tough, honest conversations about how each product is actually helping customers. And when the data says you're off track, you pivot. Fast. These reviews became a culture reset, focusing not on cool tech, but on solving real problems. That's how they ended up building their own GenAI operating system, GenOS, and custom LLMs for tax, accounting, and finance, all driven by what customers needed most. What makes these check-ins powerful isn't just the cadence, it's the humility. It takes guts to admit your baby isn't working, but when that openness comes from the top, it trickles down. Teams start to expect feedback, not fear it. And instead of launching features for the sake of it, you're constantly asking, is this actually helping someone? It's like an AI product therapy session. Brutally honest, but deeply necessary. Second game changer: don't silo your AI team. Embed them across the business. At Intuit, instead of creating a standalone AI lab, they put AI pros directly into mission-based teams, working side by side with product managers, engineers, UX designers. Why? Because the AI team can't solve real problems if they're 6 meetings removed from the user, and vice versa. A product manager might miss a massive opportunity if they don't know what the latest model can do. This structure boosted overall productivity by 15%. Oh, and engineers and PMs even go into the field, doing follow me homes to see how customers actually use features. That's how you build empathy into AI. And here's where it gets cool. Those embedded teams are already shipping big wins. Take this one. Small biz owners using AI-driven invoice reminders in QuickBooks are getting paid 5 days faster. And overdue invoices? 10% more likely to be paid in full. That's money in the bank. By putting AI experts on the front lines, they're solving real-world pain points, not just playing with models. And the rest of the team levels up their AI literacy in the process. Last principle: use conflict as a competitive edge, not a blocker. Look, if your team's diverse, opinionated, and passionate, they're going to clash. And that's not just okay. That's essential, but only if you've got a clear path for resolving it fast. Intuit uses a model called DACE: driver, approver, contributors, escalation, contact. Every project has these roles mapped. So when disagreements pop up, there's a built-in way to resolve them without slowing down. This isn't just about harmony, it's about speed. They've increased release velocity 8x in 4 years. And escalations? Resolved in days, sometimes hours. This part really stuck with me. They've normalized escalation. It's not seen as failure or friction. It's part of the process. When someone raises a flag, it's a chance to course-correct fast, before customer impact goes sideways. That kind of trust across teams? That's rocket fuel for innovation. It's also how you keep great talent. People want to build cool things, not be stuck in endless decision limbo. Fast conflict resolution keeps the momentum alive. So what do these 3 things, check-ins, embedding experts, and conflict resolution, actually create? A feedback loop, a flywheel, an AI culture that learns, adapts, and improves continuously, not once a year, not in a big transformation workshop, but every day. And here's the kicker: it all starts with customer benefit. That's how Intuit tracks progress. Whether it's savings rates, faster payments, or lower support volumes, everything is measured by how much it helps real people. That's what drives the tech. All right, that's a wrap. So here's the big question: What's the one thing from this list you could try in your org tomorrow? Could you run a brutally honest AI product review? Embed a data scientist on a product squad? Redesign how your team handles conflict? Start small, but start somewhere. Because if there's one thing we know, it's that AI isn't slowing down, and neither should you. If you liked this breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite takeaway. This is the Data and AI Debate, and we'll catch you in the next one.